Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Honda Super Cup. So again, someone asked me to do a lot more bikes. So I didn't buy anything new. So this is from a 2023 case. I don't remember which case it is. You can see this is 149 rupees. That was the MRP back then. The good gold days. Good old days and even good gold days, I can say. Okay. So this is just for that person who asked me. Excuse me guys, I'm still recovering. Okay. See, I am personally a fan of cars, but I do love scooters because it's easy to, it's fun to drive, to be honest. Okay, here is the card art. I'm really happy they actually went with the full scooter on the card art. Okay, so honestly, I'm going to say this, guys. This looks really cute and looks really good. Okay, so it doesn't have any headlight detail here. Okay, no tail detail, nothing. So this looks like this, in India we used to have this treats with small, this candies. I don't know how many of you guys remember that. So I'm a 90s kid where during that particular 90s to mid 2000s, when you go to the small shops, you will get the small candies along with some gift inside. So you will get the small bikes, small cars. I might still have that in my native, maybe one or two. So it will literally look like this. I mean, to be honest, now that looks really great compared to what price I'm paying here, because this I'm paying like I paid 150. That was merely like 1 rupee or 2 rupee when I was buying that back then. So, but one thing is that is not metal at all. It is fully plastic, but I really loved those. So those are like simple things, and those are simpler times. Those are really nice to play with. So I need to see if I still have that. I might do a video on that. Let's see. So apart from that, you can see the detailings here. You can see the gear shifter. Okay, this is not a scooter. I honestly misjudged it, thinking that it's a scooter given the looks. So okay, it has all the detailing, but my only thing is they could have given a black paint or something here for the gear shifters and the chain and everything, but they didn't do that. But it does have all the details here. It looks really nice. I mean, if you guys love customizing, this would be a better casting to customize. It is small and it is cute, and it does actually has all the details to it. You just need to paint on top of it. Sorry, guys. Okay, so the seat is painted like Alpenliebe candy. Okay, so but apart from that, nothing to talk about this one. The wheels looks pretty standard for a bike casting when it comes to Hot Wheels. And okay, it actually doesn't have a stand. You need to keep it in this way if you are planning to keep it, or if you might need to have some kind of holder in this way. I don't have anything with me right now, but that's the way you can do that. Okay, let's weigh this casting. Okay, 17 grams. I was expecting around the same thing, like maybe around 15 to 20 grams. Okay, 17 is not bad. I don't know if I can do the roll test here. It is a two-wheeler, for God's sake. Okay, let's cut that out. I'm not going to waste any time on that. Okay, let's rate this casting. So honestly, guys, they could have given a little bit of okay. One thing I missed out to say here: the yellow pieces, everything is plastic. The white ones are fully metal. So I don't know how to put this up. Okay, yeah. So these are plastic, and the white thing is fully metal. And rating wise, I would easily take out 1 out of 10 because there are no details at all. So 9 out of 10 because it has all the details to it. You just need to be, you know, uh, you need to do something here, to show the details out to the public. So, like, you need to paint these parts here a little bit. That would look really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.